In this video, we are going to discuss about how to do the bistable multivibrator simulation using Multisim. So for that one, you have to go to the NA Multisim 13.0 version. I'll try to expand this design one Multisim window. Go to place component and before going to this one, you have to know the circuit diagram, right? So for this one, you require 555 ICs and you require 3 resistors. Okay, so for that one, I'm placing 3 resistance and you require one capacitor and DC power supply and output you require one LED. Okay, so and you require 2 switches. So let me go for a single pole and single throw switches. Okay, so the one switch will act as a set and another switch will act as a B set. Okay, so the detailed description of this video will be in the description box. You can go through that one. So you can see you don't find if you put 555 only, you'll get the 555 time the rated IC. Okay, so and also you require a ground, right? So go to the place component and search for capacitor. Okay, and you have to rotate, right? You have to rotate in clockwise. Let me rotate all the components which I require, and I'm going to place component at relevant position in order to get the connection correct. Okay, so if you want to zoom, you have to zoom like this. You can scroll the mouse. Okay, then I require ground, right? So you go to R group, then you search ground. Okay, either you can copy or you can place it like this. Okay, so in the IC also you see there is a pin called ground. Okay, so to do the correct connection, okay, so the switch 1 is nothing but a reset switch and switch 2 is nothing but a set switch. Okay, since it is a bistable multivibrator, you have 2 state. One is set and reset. Okay, the reset pin is connected to other end. Okay, and this is connected to my supply voltage. Okay, so it is nothing but a DC power supply. It is nothing but a 12 volt. Okay, 12 volt DC I am going to give. So whenever the switch 1 is on, the LED goes to off state. Okay, so let me connect this resistor and the switch, and this resistance also, other end of the resistance is connected to the DC supply. Okay, so let me connect the other end of the switch to ground. Then so you can see the discharge threshold, trigger and the control pin. The threshold pin must be connected to ground and the trigger pin is connected to the control voltage pin is connected to my capacitor. So you search for supply voltage, right? You repair one resistor because um, uh, before connecting the LED, you have to connect a resistor. So why it is not coming is the component it is showing as LED. So let me close it, and again I'm going to reopen this one. Okay, since I want to at the output, I'm going to connect the resistor and the LED. So I'm going to place it here. Then I can search for a LED. Okay. So for that one, we try to go to all families and rename the component as LED. LED is nothing but a light emitting diode. So you can see there are different types of LED. One is blue, green, red, and yellow. So I'm going to choose the red LED. So the one end of the output is connected to the resistor, another end is connected to the LED, and another end of the LED is connected to ground. So this is how we have to connect. Okay. So since it is a red LED, if it glows, it will glow in red color. Okay. So it is based on the wavelength, right? And I need to change the capacitance voltage to 10 nanofarad. Okay, it is small n. Then I can connect this one to one end to ground and other end to the control voltage. Okay. So here the trigger pin is connected to the set key, above the set key. Okay. So if the set pin is on, the LED will low. If reset pin is on means the LED get off. So these are the two states. Okay. So I need to connect VCC, right? So there's nothing but DC voltage. It is of 12 volt. So I connect this one and I can change this one to 12 volt. Okay, if you double on the 5 volt, you can change the value to 12 volt and give OK. Okay. So I'm going to change the value of resistance to 1K. Next, I need to connect the capacitance, right? The capacitance, which I already told you. So that is what I'm telling. Before connecting this circuit, you have to know this working, right? So you better go to the video that I have given the description box. So you study that one and then you come to this video. Okay. So if you know this connection, if you know this already, you can connect it to this one. Okay. So I have given all the connections. I have made all the connections. So if you want, you can save and see if I change. It is not growing because I am not running. Yeah. So first you save this one and now you give the run button. So it is right side facing triangle, right? See, click this one. So if you press the set switch, the LED is going. See, that is 2 iron mouth which is glowing the rectangle. Even after I am giving open the circuit, it is going. Only when the reset pin is on, it will be off. Okay. So if both the pin are on, so only and now the set is on, the LED will low. and the reset is on. See, still the reset is on, it is glowing. If reset is on means it is off. Okay. So you can see that. Okay, you can see the working. So if you have any doubt, can watch it slowly. So I hope this video is useful for you. And if you want to stop, you can stop it by pressing the red button. And if you want to pass the value, you can do it with the help of the pass and stop button. Okay. So it is why it is known as bistable means it is having two state. One is the LED is on, another one is LED is off. Okay. So it will generate a square waveform. Since a multivibrator is nothing but it is used to generate a square wave. So when the set is 1, it will the positive value, right? If LED is on means you will get some DC value, right? So if this if it is off means it will goes to 0. So it will generate a square wave at the output.